everybody, I'm at Alpine Meadows. It is Wednesday, November 24. Looking at an absolutely beautiful day. It's a bluebird day at Alpine Meadows. And we are so excited to be opening on Friday, November 26th. Can't wait to see everyone here. Just letting you have a look around. This snowstorm was the largest November snowstorm in recording history. This November is the second largest month of November in snow recording history at Alpine. I'm just going to stop talking now and let you enjoy the view. See you on opening day.